I've had a very fortunate experience in having a relationship with Dr. Emmanuel Merritt. He was a pioneer in this field. He did transplants for over 20 years. He was my original teacher in residency when I was learning to do head and neck reconstruction surgery. Part of that was hair transplantation. He had quite an extensive experience in patients who had the unfortunate experience of having less than great results on their head from previous transplant techniques. He was very disappointed in the field in that a lot of people weren't moving towards the new technology of follicular units or even micrografting at the time. And it was about that time that he decided to cut back on his practice a little bit, and he decided that maybe a focus on consumer education was very important. My experience in the field having to do with education, I thought it blended very well. So in conjunction, we decided to write a book, a consumer education book, to help people understand the truth about hair loss, the truth about what really causes it, what doesn't cause it, the truth about the medical therapy available to them, which includes certain topical medications and oral medications, but also the misinformation that they're getting about so many products that are advertised daily. They're inundated with advertisements. There's also been a lot of doctors that have promoted techniques that were supposed to be new or innovative, but in essence were just a marketing gimmick. There's a lot of that information out there, and we thought that maybe a book helping consumers cut through the hype, cut through the misinformation would be of some value. So we've written a book that has to do with helping the consumer do this. We talk about, again, the causes of hair loss, the psychology behind hair loss, medical, surgical treatments. We have information on there about hair pieces and hair additions, and then how to assemble that information, put it in context of what the patient really wants, what their desires are, what their resources are, and help them come up with a way to evaluate certain providers. And to that end, this book is called The Hair Replacement Revolution.